Hi guys, hi sir. I'm Matmondre Vidal Santos and today I'll be doing the experiment in General Biology 1. Our experiment is called comparing the egg membrane to a cell membrane. And the objectives ano? And the objectives of this activity are to able to compare the membrane of the egg to a real cell membrane. Second, to demonstrate the semi-permeability of the cell membrane using the egg. And sana magawa ko to ng maayos. And sorry sir if nalate ako mag-pass. Sorry po. To our experiment, ito pa lang yung ano natin, yung materials kasi mga bagyo pa yan. Mamaya pa ako bibili ng food coloring and corn syrup. Ito. Meron tayong dalawang transparent na baso. And egg and vinegar. Ngayon, papakita ko kung paano ibabad. Ibababad ko na siya para habang bumibili ako ng ng ibang materials or is nagwo-work na siya para hindi masayang ang oras natin. Okay, wait lang guys. Ito guys, bababad na natin. Saan na? Suka. Ilagay itlog sa baso. Ilagay talaw na tayo. Babasag to pag nilaglag ko. Ayan. Ito tayo guys. And kailangan is babad, diba? Kailangan nakalubog yung itlog. Kailangan covered na covered yung itlog sa suka. Okay. Oops. Good siya. Dito, ito. Meron pa akong suka. Karagdagan suka para babad na babad talaga siya. Pababad na natin siya. Para habang bumibili tayo ng materials is hindi tayo nasasayangan ng oras. And guys, makikita natin is bumubula itlog. It means it's working, boy. Diba? Yan, hintayin lang natin ng 24 hours bago natin palitan. And guys, time check. Ano kasi? 3:11. Bukas babalikan natin to para palitan ng 3:11 din 24 hours. Ay. Mga bagyo pa kasi eh. Mga bagyo pa kasi hindi pa ako makabili ng materials. Pag tumira ang dito. Lumpit na rin. Okay guys. Tumigil na yung bagyo. Tara na bumili. Iyo. Yeah. Okay. Punta tayong corn syrup sa bayan, no? Ha? Corn syrup sa bayan. Oo, to. Tayo sa may ano? Gagi, wey! Bakit? Yung phone ko nalaglag. Basag.
Basag?
Yes.
Okay lang yan.
Mahalaga ang biology natin.
Kaya mas lang kapay, sir.
Date ko na lang kayo, boy, kapag nasa bayan na tayo. Bye-bye.
Lipat tayo sa next store, boy.
Wala tayong ano.
Wala sa Bantono eh. Nagkaubusan yung corn syrup eh, no?
Kaya nga eh.
Supply.
Mga sa kanya nila ginagawa yan.
Lube. Okay, pauwi na tayo guys. Wala tayo nakuhang corn syrup. Binahaan na tayo dito. Apple.
Ganda naman sunset eh.
Naka-video ko rito mamaya. Masasagot. Corn syrup. Pauwi na tayo guys. Kaso, basta po na dito.
Corn syrup tayo guys.
Pauwi na.
Guys, welcome again. And this is my day 2 of experiment. And you can see guys, sir, it's foaming. Like, tumaba siya. Kailangan na natin palitan. Palitan na natin. Time check is 3:11. Palitan na natin siya ng vinegar. Lubog siya eh. Okay. Siya pa eh. Second refill boy. Okay. It's done to ano. Tapos natin palitan. Mag-aantay ulit tayo ng 24 hours para tignan kung ano yung mangyayari. Ayan. So, hindi siya ilita. Guys, this is my day 3 of experiment. And you can see, nadidissolve na siya because of vinegar. Pagkatapos ng 48 hours, ano siya. And let's drain na kasi lalagyan na natin ng corn syrup and water with ano tawag dito? Food coloring. So yeah. Let's drain guys. Sana di mabasag. Sana mag-success boy.
Success yan.
Kasi pag di mag-success to, kawawa ka dyan. Linisin lang natin. Tapos natusok ko ng ano.
Okay, dyan ano.
Oh, hindi na pa. Ay. Hindi nangyari. Medyo naging ano, nabuyo yata yung pula sa loob.
Ha?
Ay. Lagyan na natin nito kung ano man to. Corn syrup. Lagyan na natin siya. Oo nga ba yan ah. Parang lumambot nga siya.
Lambot na eh.
Galing.
Pabasag yan. Kahit hindi ko drain.
Okay na. Para sure. Ito na na. Corn syrup na.
Sa isang lang yan.
Ha?
Isang baso lang.
Ano siya? Nakalubog din siya. Ano? Lubog din natin. Wala kasi yung kulay na base.
Transparent pa yun.
Okay na. Then, okay na. Yung corn syrup na to. Pakita mo paano susunod. Ano?
Submerge ko siya ngayon sa ito.
Ito na nangyari. Nung nilagyan natin ng corn syrup, kailangan natin palubugan. And dapat di siya angat, di ba? Hindi angat to.
Kakakuha ko yung kakara.
Dapat di siya angat, no? Mga match siya eh. Kasi yung ano, totoo natin. Yan. Wait natin siya ng 6 to 10 hours. Right? And next,
Lagyan din, hindi. Ano natin ng tubig lang.
uh, ano to? Oh, lagyan natin ng tubig and food color. Okay. Pangalawang itlog guys. Gagawin natin ng ano. Lagyan natin ng tubig. And food coloring.
Dapat po submerge yun.
Hindi pa. Okay. Food coloring. Kaya ano? Alas ka dyan, bay. Para di money lights. Sana di siya mabasag. Lagyan natin ng food coloring. Gagi, ang lakas ng kulay.
Uli ka, boy.
Ha?
Uli yan, boy.
Okay lang yun. Pinangunggol natin.
Dito ulit. Huwag yan yung pangalo mo. Huwag yan yung pangalo mo.
Ha?
Yung pangalo na kabila. Dulo. Yung ulit dulo.
Wala na.
Then. And leave it for 6 hours.
Yan, tapos na. Hintayin natin to ng 16 to 10 hours ba? 6 to 10 hours. Update ko na lang kayo kung ano yung mangyayari. Okay. Okay. Sana mag-work. Corn syrup and water with food coloring. Okay guys, gabi na. Let's check our experiment. After 7 hours, ito na yung nangyari sa kanya. Yung nilagyan ko ng corn syrup is yung ganyan. And yung nilagyan ko ng water with food coloring is lumaki. Ito kasi may ibang baso. Lumaki siya guys. Ito siya. Lumaki yan. Naging ko red. Siyempre. And let's observe. Okay guys. Let's observe. Ito. Galing. Mas matibay siya. Isa dito. Ito kasi malambot naman talaga siya. Anytime pwede siya pumutok. Cell membrane. Damn. Ito, yung pinagbabara ng suka and corn syrup, naging transparent. Transparent siya. Transparent. And dito sa isang itlog is food coloring with water. Watering with food coloring. Okay. I think my observation is after soaking in vinegar, the eggshell were gone. The eggs become soft, squishy, and rubbery because only the membrane was left. Membrane lang yung natanggal sa kanya, kaya naging ganito yung tsura. For egg A, which was placed in corn syrup, the egg shrunk and looks smaller than that. This is because water moved out of the egg, since the syrup was more concentrated than the inside of the egg. And for the egg B, And for the egg B, which was placed water in the food coloring, the eggs swelled and become larger. Water moved into the egg because in the inside of the egg had more solutes than the surrounding water. The food coloring also entered slightly, showing that the membrane allows some molecules to pass through. Okay, let's answer the guide question. First question: what happened to the eggs after submerging in vinegar? Okay, the vinegar dissolved the egg shell, leaving behind a thin but strong membrane. This membrane is similar to a cell membrane. Okay, cell membrane. Second question: what happened to egg A and egg B? Egg A in a corn syrup shrunk because water moved out, and egg B in water swelled because water moved in. Let's get bigger. And third question: as the liquids were changed, did the size change? Why? Now, tinry kong position and magkaiba yung resulta. Kasi yung transparent kaninang itlog is mas lumaki. Kasi binabad ko siya sa tubig. Kaya nag-expand siya and hinigop niya yung tubig. And this naman is lumiit kasi it's shrunk. I think when I switched the liquids, putting egg A in water and egg B in corn syrup, their size changed again. Egg A got bigger while egg B shrunk. This shows that the direction of water movement depends on the solution the egg is placed in. Kaya yun. Vice versa lang. Okay. Let's go to the guide question. Yes, the sizes change because of osmosis. Water always moves from region of low solute concentration to high solute concentration until equilibrium is reached. Fourth question: what did the egg membrane portray? The egg membrane represents a cell membrane, which is semi-permeable. It allows small molecules like water to pass through, but prevents larger molecules like sugar from entering. In our conclusion, these experiments show us how the egg membrane works like a cell membrane. Through osmosis, we observe how the eggs either shrunk or swelled, depending on the surrounding solution. This proves that cell membranes are selectively permeable and play an important role in regulating what enters and exit the cell. Yes. This is up the end of vlog, guys. I think we success. Thank you, Sir Ida. I'm sorry po if late na ako nagpas. Thank you. Bye.
Tapos ka na?
Yes.